They was with the bracket.
All
Waldo,
mm.
you think I can, no, sit, come on. You think I can reach over there and get that box?
Yeah.
You're a smart man. Smart man, Waldo. Anybody take anything different?
I see the length of your arms.
I got three.
I don't know about that. You ever take that in Oklahoma with you?
I'm gonna do like old folks. Oh, you so hostile, man. I ain't being hostile. It's hot out here. Hey, Waldo, I'm being smart.
There you go.
What you said, word?
Then you go get some star screws.
Cooler, don't you say a word. Don't you say a word, Cooler. My water's gonna real hot. Put my water over here. Put it up there. You got it on the bracket? I'm gonna set back right on the operate.
Give me the thing on star thing. For the drill bit.
Give me that. How come I said put this thing on the left? Your little cooler brother. There you go. You're welcome. Thank you. Here, Bill. So try to give me the screw. Suicide lead.
Where did Erica move to? I have no idea, bro.
It won't fit?
You said no, didn't you?
What kind of extension you need here?
What?
What this is? So you been right here?
No.
I'm gonna start back going up to her and go ahead my stuff down the cabinet for a while. I got season pass, so we can probably buy some back at the truck. Like, hey, you didn't come on my pass. Well, we're not right here. We're not that man. That was real good upside down. Yeah. Now get one of them long screws and feed me right here.
Tim.
Right that side of you?
Right behind you. The long one.
What's that long? No, they're over in that cup.
Hey, so
Oh, you got some shorter? Yeah, those are short.
No,
oh, I thought they was long as these.
Together real quick, bro.
Bring it over here. These are short.
Yeah.
They ain't short.
I'm about to call you back probably in about I'll probably done in about an hour.
Is that one of the long? No, it's short.
Oh. My bad.
Box over there, see?
I thought the one in the box was the long. No, he got some
okay.
long ones. Oh, okay. I see now.
Okay. All right, no problem, Craig. I'll call you back in a minute. All right.
That's all right. Don't do that. Leave that in there. Leave that in there. How's you gonna use it?
The screw?
The head. Just gonna put in another drill. Just get what my here. Right there.
let me go and finish these in there or take them out?
Don't put it in there.
Huh?
Don't put it in there. I'll put it like that. Now you put a note on it. That's gonna fold that right. You stir it right and break it off.
What's gonna break off?
Oh, the weight gonna make it. The other board, there ain't that much weight gonna be on there. The other 2 and 6.
I think I get a water. I didn't get a water.
I get you.
Team didn't give me no water.
I asked if I want then I water.
It's cool. It's cool, Sims.
Okay, Leroy. If I need some help, I'm supposed to on. Man, drag that board on around here. Carry. You need some help. Sims? Sims?
We got to measure before we cut it, though.
Well, get out of the way, boy. Not there.
Show him again.
Oh, smack that little boy 40 days over.
Got some family stuff going on. 3 brothers out here and the son. 3 old ass brothers out here and their nephew.
What you measuring, Sims? Where you going? 7'7"? Claude, you hear me talking to you? You going 7'7" or what?
No.
What you doing?
7 foot 4 inches.
So you gonna put this one in down here?
Oh, you gonna put it in right here somewhere along
It's the
here.
same right there, Claude. I tell you,
Why come it ain't?
because the deck done shifted, so that's why you got to measure right there.
Yeah, because we did it 4 few minutes ago. It's too
So
long.
if you're gonna go 7'4", we're just gonna put this one in. No. Measure 7'4", and we put the one in. Where you gonna put one at again? In the middle?
About right along across here.
No, you gotta go to the middle, because there's already one in the middle.
You need to measure it then if you're gonna do it that way.
Back up again, another 2 feet, Sims. Claude.
87.
Claude.
87.
Claude.
What?
Do you see this piece right down here?
What piece?
Right here. Claude.
You ain't gotta go match up with that. All you want to do is go right in here.
The Negro don't want to listen to me, bro. If they got one running through there, why don't we just run one parallel with it?
It's not necessary.
Do
That's
it your,
what I'm
come on.
trying to tell
You're
you.
Aries, you gotta do it your way. I
It
get it.
ain't my way. It's just
Yeah, come on, Claude. Measure. Measure, mark, and cut. Wado,
yo.
why you back off, brother? You don't want to be a part of this?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why not?
I don't know nothing.
Oh man, don't be like that, brother.
Hey man, if anybody be patient, like I am patient. You should be patient too.
That's why I'm sitting down.
Serious?
I'm dealing with
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm patient sitting down.
Water. I'm dealing with your brother.
Damn. You all right with that?
Yeah. I hit one of the rocket doors again.
Hold the board, Sims.
Grab it, Leroy.
Hey, Claude, make sure you get on the line, bro. Cause you cut the shit crooked last time, brother. Straight.
Can't cut it that way anyway.
You need to go. This way,
They
what?
go on the edge.
Right. It's on the edge, right?
Y'all know y'all little brother, don't you? Gonna do it his way. Frank Sinatra, baby. Did it my way.
You put a bracket there. You got that in? Set it down over there. I'll put you one of those. We'll go about right along the head. What do you mean? That it? Dude,
What up?
don't put a screw in here.
I like this. Ooh.
Please.
No, I mean, wow.
Where the
You gotta get over here.
Oh, that's what she said.
Maybe again.
Oh, they put a drill bit in here for us, Red. Where we going?
Maybe again after. Measure it. Make sure it's level, yeah. Where's it at? What a bubble. You right there. Okay. Put the screw in there. Put the screw right here.
These screws? The ones you bought?
Yeah.
They gave us a bit, too. You didn't know they did.
No, you didn't.
Well, ain't a lot of people can say they built the deck with they uncle. Is it level?
Yeah, come on.
Where you at?
Right here. The bracket.
Well,
You gotta step in front of me. Come on, step up.
let me just pull it out. Let me get on the other side. Is it level? No.
Put the bracket.
It was level. It ain't level. I ain't gonna screw it in if it ain't level. Watch out, Tim. Move. You ready, Claude? I mean, Tim? Claude, I'll be halfway to New York City.
No, you gotta put it on that 2 of 4, that 2 of 6, 8 over there. You gotta put it on that 2 of 8. Yeah.
What do you think I got it on, Claude? Look. Go back there.
Sit down. Sit down.
Go back there, Claude. Willie gotta take his end down, Claude. Tell me what my bubble looks like. There we go.
It's too hot.
Too high.
Oh yeah, Uncle Willie, it ain't gonna be level because I remember the thing. Yeah,
It's got,
the deck to move.
What that board at?
The deck go at an angle anyway.
Give one. No, just put the bracket in. Bro, it ain't straight. That don't mean nothing. Just put the bracket in.
Put the wood back up there. Make sure it's level.
You gotta bring it up. Now, you up against it.
You got some wood on there?
Yeah. Just start. Oh, right there. Now put the other side in.